Don't know if you can tell, that's a pretty decent sized hill up there. And this road has not been plowed at all since the storm started. Let's go up the hill. With ease. I'm just having a little bit of fun at this point. Looks like other people tested out their four-wheel drive, mowing up the actual grass there. Fucking dumbasses. Looks like I'm not the only one that had this idea. Only thing is, looks like they only had two-wheel drive. I got four-wheel drive. Whoops. A little bit of oversteer. Well, overcorrection maybe. Either way, four-wheel drive works.